In this video, I'll walk you through how to pair your MoveMic to the receiver and then connect it directly to your phone. This allows for additional compatibility with third-party apps for filming and creating your content. So the first thing that you want to do is take your receiver and connect it to your phone via the cold shoe mount. Next, you'll want to pair your MoveMic by pushing and holding the button on the side till the lights flash blue and red, indicating pairing mode. Then, click the button twice on the receiver to pair your lav. Next, you'll want to connect the USB-C cable to your device and then to the MoveMic receiver. Please note that if you're using a Lightning device, there is a cable available as an accessory from Shure.com. Once you've plugged it into your receiver, you can then adjust your gain settings from there. Then go to the app that you're wanting to use to record your content. So that's how you can simply pair your MoveMic to your receiver and then plug it directly into your phone to capture content and have additional control and compatibility with third-party apps. Thanks for watching.